You can expect a lot from the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With just over 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Jeep prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including leather upholstery, power front seats, heated front and rear seats, automatic temperature control, a roof rack, rear wipers, and seat memory. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Jeep's rigorous certification process. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.